Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Kiara here. I am back in the building. I am back with another video for you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Radiance Spin Care System, and it looks like this. So this comes with 3 brushes and a pumice rock. You can find this from the Duvolle website, which they contacted me to do this video, and they sent me out this for free to try out. And I will be giving my honest opinion about it. Even though I collaborated, this is gonna be my honest opinion. So let's get started. But before we move on, subscribe to my channel. It is that fat red button that's down below that says subscribe. Okay, I'll wait. Still waiting. You ain't clicking nothing? It's gonna be a long journey. It's gonna be a long journey. You can find this, like I said, on the Duvolle website for $95, but they gave me a coupon code that you can use. I will leave it down below to use it to get 70% off, guys. Yes, 70% off, which would make the price $28. I think $28 like went from 95 to 28. Like, come on now, come on. Bring the deals. Like, y'all know I love the deals. So this comes with a body cleansing brush, which is a big one, and also comes with a cleansing brush for your face, and also an exfoliating brush for your face. And also, last but not least, it comes with a pumice rock. The thing about this, you need 4 AA batteries. I didn't know it didn't come with batteries, so I just ran to the store to get some. I ran Dollar Tree. You need 4 AA batteries for this. So if you get one of these, get the batteries first. So once it comes in the mail, you already have, you know, what you need. Deeply cleanse your skin with the Radiance Spin Care System, a rotating movement to achieve clearer and vibrant skin for your whole body. So reveal the hidden glow of your skin with the Radiance Spin Care System. So let's get to opening it. And some small advice: if you have on makeup, it's not best to cleanse your face with this brush with the makeup on. First, cleanse your makeup off first. You can use a makeup remover wipe, or just cleanse it with your best cleanser. First, wipe it off, and then use this brush. That's a little side note for y'all. So here's how the packaging looks. It looks like this. It comes with the adapter thingy, one of these. The pumice rock is here. It's a cute little pumice rock. It also has a big body brush, and it looks like that. It is extremely soft, guys. Like, so soft. It comes with a exfoliating brush. It looks like this, and the cleansing brush. So the difference between the exfoliating brush and the cleansing brush is the cleansing brush is much more softer, as you can tell, and it's like, it feels like velvet. I cannot wait to dig in. Brush applicator. I already put the batteries in here. It goes in through here, and you pop them in. The brushes just clip on like that, like so. And there is a on and off switch. You just click it on, and it just spins. Just spins. And click it off. So for my facial cleanser I'm going to use with this brush, I'm going to use my Trader Joe's face wash with tea tree oil in it, and it looks like that. So today I'm going to use the exfoliating brush because I can't say that word and it ain't gonna come back me, okay? I'm going to use this exfoliating brush to do this demo today, and I'm so excited. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright guys, so welcome to my bathroom. I'm trying to get everything set up so you guys can see me clearly. I have to like dip down because my tripod missing a screw, and it don't go up any higher. So let's get right into it. So I have my spin brush, and I have my green tea Trader Joe's face wash. So I'm going to wet the brush first and apply like 2 pumps of this to my spin brush. Ooh, it's kind of watery. Ooh. Hold it over the sink. And want to wash my face like so. Oh, it feels so good. It feels like my face is getting like a deep clean like it says. I absolutely love it so far. And this makes my face wash like foams up even more. Like I'm in love so far. So far so good. Feels so good, guys. It's like a face massager. And make sure you get, you know, by your nose area where the oil be sitting at, right here. Get your chin. Okay, I think it's about done. I'm going to rinse it off. And by the way, this thing is waterproof, so if you want to use it in the shower, be more than welcome to use it in the shower. It won't break anything. And so now I'm gonna take my face wash and just wipe down my face and make sure all the soap is gone. So I'll be right back. My face feels like, if you ever had like a scrub over your body and your skin feels like extremely soft afterwards, that's exactly how my face feels right now. So far, guys, I'm in love with this. Like, this is so amazing because I deal with blackheads and whiteheads on my face, and I love something like this to get deep down in my pores to make sure all the dirt and oil is gone, because I have trouble with acne. As you guys can see, my skin is not perfect. So I'm hoping with using this, my skin will improve over time. This is like amazing. My skin feels bomb, like bomb.com honey. Alright guys, let's get back to my filming part of my room and let's end this video in a second. Okay, hold on, okay. So overall, I absolutely love this spin brush. Mind you, this does do what it claims. It does give you that deep clean. So I recommend using a moisturizer after using this, because your skin will be like kind of dry. It feels like extremely clean. So use a moisturizer after using this deep cleansing spin brush. So far, I am in love. I would do like I guess like an update video, because I want to see how my skin improves over time with using this, but it's my first time using it. It feels good now. See, I can only imagine how it would feel a week from now, you know? So far so good. Some of you guys may ask, like, I guess how long does it take to get to your house? It shows up between 3 to 7 business days. Mine showed up 5 days. I think it was like 5 days. Yeah, so excuse me. So mine showed up 5 days, and it came pretty quick. Like, it came well put together. It was no damage. Like, it came pretty quick. That's all that I have for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel, of course, before you guys leave. And I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye.